then it was brought out and it was made commercial, but still, we can see plenty of visiting Royal Navy and Royal Fleet auxiliary vessels coming in for their routine maintenance. So we've got one of the cruises.
Yeah.
This is Princess Cruises, and this one is called Majestic Princess. She came in this morning from Southampton, and she leaves tonight for Palma. She's 330.
What's the F dead?
In the cruise ship world, that's one of the bigger ones. So she's probably carrying somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 passengers. The next big grey ship that we've got here, this is Royal Fleet Auxiliary, and this is a Bay class vessel, which is a logistical support vessel. Now, this one here is called Mounts Bay. You can see in its stern there, it's got this big sort of doorway, and the idea is that the stern of this ship is actually sort of semi-amphibious. We can actually open this door, sink the stern down into the water, and you can sail up other boats inside. Also, sometimes they carry these pontoons together,
Party.
and then you put them together towards the shore.
I was gone like that.
Your tanks and your trucks can all run ashore. And then just off the bow of her now, you can see these two great big concrete blocks.
What's up, guys?
And the Mulberries were temporary floating harbours used in World War II to help during the Allied invasion of
You got it, the YouTube channel.
The prefabricated harbours were
Yeah, that's my slide. It's good.
where the remains of some can still be seen today.
Another slide.
The two units here are
One, knuckle silence.
Species can actually be sunk down below the surface of the water, and then they pump them all around up again and up they rise.
But it sounds like a bone shaker tray.
Each of these are 60 metres long, 50 metres high, 50 meters wide, and they weigh 7,700.
It sounds like the one for 5A, the one bit.
Second about.
What is that big? It sounds like the one 5O. It actually does.
I'll turn this off now.
It's gonna blow.
I've got off the boat now.
You're not the one now.
It is
Mum, it sounds like when they depart.
3 minutes.